Hi guys! Good morning! So I'm back to my daily routine and today I'll be attending an event at Robinson's Place, Manila. Malapit siya dati dun sa kondo na tinutuloyin ko na nagka-college ako sa Mapua. But ang ingay ng mga aso ko ngayon, pasensya na. Siguro may tao sa baba or may nagpipick up something. Pero I'm going to do my makeup first before going out. Dumating ako, natuwa ako kasi kahit wala ako may nag-send pa rin sa akin ng mga items. One is from Kikay Si Maria. She sent me Mary Kay products. I'm going to use this Mary Kay Oil Mattifier. Yan siya. And then when you open it, may nag-pick up sa baba. Sa sister ko yun. This is the Mary Kay Oil Mattifier from Kikay Si Maria and I'm going to apply it to my face. So I think primer ba ito? Sa tingin ko primer to. Wait. Apply sparingly on shine-prone areas after moisturizer. Moisturizer ko is this Eye White Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. Ito yung ginagamit ko for everyday. And then, for my sunblock, wait. I use this Clarins UV Plus Anti-Pollution Day Screen Multi-Protection. And then, pagka naman tinatamad ako, gusto ko sunblock and moisturizer in one use this Snow Skin Whitening Cream. Kasi ang ganda niya dahil para ka nang nag-BB cream, na-even out niya yung skin tone ko and natatanggal niya yung konting redness. Plus, meron daw siyang Elite 7 Skin Whitening Active. So, but for today, I use the Eye White and my sunblock and gamitin natin to. Let's see. The consistency of this Mary Kay Oil Mattifier para siyang milky. Tingnan natin kung matatanggal talaga yung shine. T-zone muna yung lalagyan ko. But I'm going to put this all over my face. Well, it did mattify, pero hindi naman siya super duper yung matte na matte. And then, she also sent me Mary Kay Time Wise Matte Wear Liquid Foundation. I have a review for this and natuwa ako nung nakita ko siya. Kasi, tinitipid ko yung pinadala sa akin ni Beautylicious Deals na Matte Wear Liquid Foundation. Kasi nga sobrang ganda niya. Ito yung ginagamit ko pagka tinatamad akong mag-foundation, pero gusto ko na yung foundation na proper foundation, like using brush or sponge. Kasi ito, kamay lang, ang ganda na ng coverage niya. So, hindi ko na siya titipirin kasi may isa pa akong backup. Beauty Blotters Oil Absorbing Sheets. Meron pa rin akong ginagamit na ganito. So, I have a new one. Yay! Mary Kay Endless Performance Cream to Powder Foundation. Parang medyo dark siya sa akin, pero it's the same shade na ginagamit ko nung Time Wise. Beige 2, and then beige 2 rin yung nakalagay. So, this is the Mary Kay Cream to Powder Foundation, page 2. This is the Mary Kay Mineral Cheek Color in the shade Shy. So, I'm going to use it today. I don't know kung yung mga Mary Kay na products, you have to buy like the separate compact case. Kasi, parang nasa refill siya na lagayan eh. So, anyway, other things that I received when I was out, from Oh My Bag PH, they sent me this limited edition Girl Boss handle wraps. So these handle wraps are for the handles of your bags. And I have handle wraps. I have my Hermes Twilly and some handle wraps that I bought from other store. Pero ito, kakaiba siya kasi para siyang neoprene ba yung tawag dito. Most of my handle wraps are silk. Not really most. All of them are silk. Ito lang yung parang nasa stretchy material siya. So, yan yung color niya. I don't know kung which bag I'm going to use this for, but the next days, I'm going to show you. Raincoat. So, ang summer is like May hanggang May lang, diba? End ng May. And then, I'm happy that I have this. So, this is a raincoat for the bags. Sa tingin ko, kasya to dun sa mga malalaki kong bag. Ayan, wait. I'm going to show you. Ganyan. So, I use 2 pumps for my whole face and also the neck. Mas gusto ko na nga siya kaysa sa Beauty Blender. And this is much more affordable than the Beauty Blender. In fact, I ordered another set from my sister. Meron pa akong nakabalot na Real Techniques Complexion Sponge sa aking brush drawer. Tama pa rin ba yung kulay kahit umitim ako? And also, naisip ko, hindi ko alam kung nasagot ko na to sa ibang mga vlogs. Ang daming nagtatanong if my hair is rebonded or not. It's not rebonded, guys. Kung meron ngang treatment na baliktad ng rebonding, yung paglalagay ng volume sa hair. Baka yun ang pang i-avail ko. Kasi my hair is super limp, wala talaga siyang volume. As in, pag hinayaan mo siyang matuyo, yan, flat na flat siya. So, ang ginagawa ko, parang ginaganito ko siya. Malinis naman kamay ko. Para medyo hindi naman super flat dun sa taas. And one more thing, pagtingin ko sa mirror, paglapit ko, para na ako may konting-konting highlighter. Kasi pag ginaganyan ko yung face ko, pag tinitilt ko, napapansin ko na may konti siyang frost. Konting-konti. And yung ganyan, okay siya kasi hindi flat na flat tingnan yung blush. And mukha siyang healthy blush. Hindi yung parang blush lang talaga na powder. And I can say na pag nilagyan ko pa siya ng... Wait. Nitong Smashbox, mas magiging okay kasi mas magmumukha siyang natural, matatanggal yung pagka-powder niya. Uy, sa'yo ba nag-spray? That is my technique to remove the white powdery look ng RCMA. Kasi on its own, this RCMA 1, medyo masyado siya, for me lang naman masyado siyang matte na may nadilive na ashy looking something. So, to remove that, I use Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And you can use any water that you want. Any water talaga. Yung Evian spray or kahit meron kang bottle na empty na ganito, lagyan mo na siya ng water and then spray mo. Or yung iba nilalagyan nila ng beauty oil tapos i-shake mo lang and then spray it on your face. It's also the same thing din naman. Ayan na siya, medyo basa pa, but this is the blush. Ang ganda niya kasi parang natural lang yung ano niya yung look na naibibigay. And don't worry about that parang mga maliliit na na spots ng water. Pag natuyo yan, mawawala yan. Outfit of the day, guys, very simple. I'm just wearing this little black dress with some colors, pop of colors. I think this was from Plains and Prints. Sobrang tagal na niya, so hindi ko maalala kung saan siya ko binili. And then, I'm wearing this YSL Tribute sandals. This is the high-heeled version because meron ding low heel. And I rarely wear this pagka may events lang and such. But I'm going to wear this mamaya sa event na. I can't wear this throughout the day. Medyo masakit-sakit yun sa paa. Hey guys! Si Dixie nasa labas. Sa nagtatanong pala, hindi naman sila lagi naka-cage. Naka-cage lang pag walang magbabantay. Nakakalimutan ko laging bumili nung nung pad para dun sa mount ng kotse ko. Kasi, ng kotse ko, ng camera. Kasi, nag-wobbly na siya. Hindi na siya ganun kadikit. Yun lang yung downside, pero huwag kayong galala. 99 pesos lang ang car mount. Here we are again. Every time na may event, talaga drive-thru situation ngayon. Nasa C5 kami going to Manila and super traffic. So we are almost here. Parking na lang kami. Ito yung Robinson's Place, Manila na malapit sa school ko before. So alam ko to, kaya lang years na hindi ako nakakapunta dito.
She's from Allianz. What's CG about?
I'm going to show you how to achieve a very useful Korean-like makeup and with vanilla pose. So when you're applying cushion, make sure you apply it evenly all over your face. So I'm going only to do half of her face. And the reason why you're doing this kind of technique, because you don't want to smudge the base. Or on the roots. And then slowly wiggle your brush upward from your cheekbones. Try to apply your blush here. So just in case you don't have time to contour your face, this is a great way. I just pat it on the cheekbones like this. For the Korean brows, you want to make sure your eyebrows is straight. So we're not going to do this brows on her. We're going to do the straight eyebrows. On this side, as you can see, her skin is much more dewy with a very, very soft eyeshadow. Her eyebrows are much more softer. And then, at the same time, her cheeks, she doesn't have any contour.
So we have Joy Sola drying the toy catcher machine. Yay! I'll go Anna. Thanks. So I got 2 from the toy catcher. Finger to Clip and Cheek Acid Oil.
Nail polish, ma'am.
Nail polish.
Blink.
Okay. Reclaim living yung ano, pwede sa toy catcher. With other fellow YouTube vloggers, and we're going to take your pictures with this safe. This is Joyce. And being a good vlog. Okay. Okay. Crazy girl.
Pangit tingnan. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Party-party na kami dito. Yeah.
Hanap kami ni Jelly ng kakainan. Kakatapos lang nung vanilla ko event. Nahihiya siya. So, kakatapos lang nung vanilla ko event. Kaya, kain mo na kami. Si Jelloy ng cable ng 6 Plus. Ayan. Ang bilis daw mag-charge. 250 lang.
charger.
Yan. Ensalada, tapos crablets. Kainin ko. Kain lang kami ng donut. Akin, Boston cream. Kay Jalean. Marble frosted. Frosted. Ganun. I am now home, guys, and as you can see, meron ng marky yung eyeglasses ko because I really have to wear my glasses while driving. Hindi ko nakikita yung proper distance pag wala akong glasses and sobrang blurred ng mga lights. So from the event, I got my Vanilla Coke goodies, and then dun sa toy catcher, I got 2 items. So for the goodies, I have this, I don't know how to use this, but, yun siya. It looks something like this. This is the Clean It Zero from Vanilla ko, and it's a makeup remover. I don't know how to use this, but I think parang katulad din siya ng Pond's ko na pinapatungan niya ng G7X. It's the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser, moisturizing deep cleanser and makeup remover. It's in a cream form. Pero ito parang hindi ko alam kung malambot ba siya or what, but i-wash ko muna yung hands ko before dipping my hand into it. May spatula siya pero nakakatamad gamitin. Akala ko hindi siya cream, parang balm siya. Pero medyo may buo-buo siya na something. I'm going to apply this on my face. There. Let's spread the face. I'm going to cover this one first. Oh, so parang nag-melt siya nung nirub ko siya sa aking cheek. So I assume na kanina kasi buo-buo siya. Pagka nadidikit siya sa face, mas nag-o-oil siya or parang natutunaw siya and melting the makeup as well. That is it for this Clean It Zero. Okay siya. Nagustuhan ko siya. I just don't know kung magkano ito. Pero pag mas mura siya kaysa dun sa aking this one. Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Oil. It's the same feeling kasi dahil itong cleansing oil, pag niremove mo siya sa face mo with just water, apply this on your face, yung face with makeup, and then emulsify it with water, wash it with water. Walang matitirang oily residue. But you also have to follow up with a facial wash. That's the same feeling that I get with this Clean It Zero, and this is expensive, no? And just the same thing, mas moisturize lang yung feel ko ng konti, but it's nice. So this is the truth behind all of the makeup. Yan, ganyan yung face ko pag namumula siya dahil na-scrub siya ng aking facial brush. But later on, bilis naman mawala yung pagkaret. Sorry kung magulo dun sa likod dahil yun yung mga pre-left ko na nakalagay dun sa may jacuzzi. Then I was also sent these 3 pieces of soap from Pore Active on Instagram. Extra Strength Whitening Soap, 8-in-1 Superior Soap, and Charcoal with Organ Oil. May sinasabi siya sa akin na igagamit mo daw sa face, tapos parang sobrang makintab daw siya and parang Korean-like after mo gamitin. So that is it, guys. Nothing much for this day. Just the Vanilla Co event and then some bonding moments of me and Jelle as usual. But thank you for watching today's vlog. I really need to do, yun yung tumatakbo sa utak ko, I can't really speak properly. I really need to do a Korean makeup haul para maiba naman yung haul ko, hindi naman sipatek yun. Para hindi naman laging makeup haul ng drugstore and then yung ibang brand like Western ones. Hi guys! Good morning! So it's a Thursday and today I have my dental appointment. Since na-extract na lahat ng ngipin ko, I need to have my PVC impressions. Yung parang mold siya ng ngipin with bite registration taken. Yung mold na yon dadalhin siya sa US para magawa ni Invisalign ko. And we have waited this long dahil kailangan magaling na yung ngipin, no swelling at all, wala rin siyang dumidapat, pagkukunan siya ng impressions para exact yung Invisalign measurements, yun ba yung tawag doon na makukuha. Yung iba, nakita nyo before plaster sila, diba? Yun parang may tray lang nalalagyan ng rubber. So, rubber siya. And after that, I'm going to meet with Bea Barreto, but I'm not sure. Hindi pa siya nagre-reply if tuloy kami. Since I am looking for a new vlogging camera, and siya lang may kakilala ko na may Leica, so might as well, you know. Ang bait nga niya, siya pa nag-offer na punta kami ng Leica store. Pinakita ko na to dun sa aking isang vlog, the Vanilla Co vlog, but it's the Mary Kay Mineral Cheek Color in Shy, ayan. And Eloisa, the owner of Kikay Si Maria, who is also a blogger, she told me that this is a dupe for NARS Orgasm. So, let's see. Actually, ang ganda niya kasi hindi siya pak na pink. Para siyang pink na may pagka-orangey ba yung term doon? Hindi ko sure. Pero ang ganda niya kasi nakaka-fresh lang siya tingnan. And it's not like super in your face na blush. Ayan. So, I received just today, this morning, from, wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung shop niya. But I'm going to search sa aking phone ko ano yung shop niya. She sent me this KJM Cheek Lip Tint ba yung tawag dito? KJM All Natural Cosmetics from Davao City, in the shade Bloodshot. Pinapili niya ko and ito yung pinili ko. This is what it looks like. And as you all know me guys, I use my Tony Moly lip tint and let's see kung magugustuhan ko siya. Tony Moly lip tint, medyo na ano na rin ako sa kanya kasi pag lagi siyang ginagamit, syempre nagsasawa ka and all, and nagkikling siya dun sa mga dry patches. Let's see if this is like better than the Tony Moly lip tint. I don't know, pero what I can say, it is matte and kakaiba sa kanya. It doesn't have a doe foot wand applicator. Let me show you. Ano siya, parang roll-on or may roller ball siya sa taas na applicator. So, I'm going to use this only for the lips dahil direct ko na siya na in-apply sa aking lips. I don't want kasi na kahit lip and cheek tint siya, ayoko na ilalagay ko sa lips ko, tapos ilalagay ko directly sa cheek ko. Kasi, diba, syempre madumi pa rin yung lips. So, ayun. Maybe I'm going to try once, but I'm not going to do it like lagi. So you may have all seen the outfit that I'm wearing today. This is my favorite outfit when I know that I'm going to be walking and all that, pagpapasyal sa mall or what, doing errands, kasi napaka-komportable niya. I can take off my denim long sleeves from Uniqlo and then just have this tank and white shorts. Tapos, of course, favorite, Birkenstocks. Ayan. This is what I'm wearing today. Ayan. And, di ba alam nyo na nagpunta ako ng beach? So, hindi pantay yung kulay ko dito sa legs and sa aking arms. Basta sa buong body ko, hindi pantay-pantay yung kulay ko. So, what I'm using, ito, nagamit ko na siya. Kasi before, I don't know how to use it. Wait lang. This is the Snow Skin Whitening Lotion. This was sent to me, I think, months na nga. Hindi ko pa rin nagagawa yung review niya. Kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-lotion, as you may know me. Pero since hindi pantay nga yung kulay ng aking buong katawan, dahil naka-rash guard ako and then naka-shorts, so magkaiba talaga yung kulay na lalabas. Okay, wala pala ako sa focus. Ayan, magkaiba talaga yung kulay na lalabas pagkatapos mong magpa-araw. So, ito talaga yung nakakatulong sa akin na at least nilalagay ko na siya sa legs ko. So, pumapantay yung kulay ko sa arms and then sa legs. Hanap ko sa phone ko yung seller nung KJM Lip and Cheek Tint ba yung tawag doon. And it's Binibining Tindera Staff. She also sent me other things. Wait lang. Well, actually, kakabukas ko lang sa kanya. She sent me the Crystal Infinity Beauty Products Bleaching Scrub. So, this is nice since I just came from the beach. And then, this one is... Oh! The Virginity Soap Natural Hygiene Bar. Ano kaya ito? Is this like, I think this is a feminine wash. I don't know. Neutralizes germs that cause unpleasant odor and itchiness in the vaginal area. Then the Bare Body Essentials Sugaring Wax. So this is in the mint scent. Then we have this Anastasia Liquid Lipstick in the shade, I think retro yung sinabi niya sa akin dun sa Messenger. And then this is something that I don't know. Ano kaya ito? Maybe later buksan ko kasi mahirap mag-open ng one hand lang. Kasi super dilim. And hopefully, abot ako dun sa appointment ko. Appointment ako ng 1 p.m. Bali lang kami para hindi na kami mahirapan sa parking. So, ayun yung request ko. Unahin ko muna siya. Bababa na lang ako mamaya dyan. Hindi ko kaya. Hi, Bea. Nagtitingin si Bea. Wait lang, pakita natin sa kanila yung crush ni Bea na camera. Anong tawag dito, Bea?
Camera.
Hindi,
This is the Safari set. So this is a limited edition. May kasama na siyang lens. And then you have the body. Plus with all the accessories kasama na siya. For 560,000 pesos only.
This is one of my choice. Kaya lang mas bulky siya eh. Ang gusto ko sa kanya, meron siyang flip screen sa likod. Wait lang, hindi siya ma-open. Okay. Ayan o. So, yun yung kailangan ko. Like, may G7X ito sa flip screen. Pero sabi ni Bea, mas maganda na isa. I am thinking of whether getting the Deluxe or Velux. Si Bea, meron siyang Deluxe. But the Velux is this one. Mas malaki siya, mas bulky siya yung may available na. Ito. So, pag-iisip ako muna. Pero nag-down na ako. So, for sure, my next vlogging camera is a Leica. Yung si Bea, nasa likod niya. So, si Kuya. O yan, nag-tip pala ni Bea. Itaas ko daw na ganyan. Yan. Wait lang, ano ba? Kainis to si Jen. Nag-down na nga, paulit-ulit. Nag-down na ako dun sa G7X. So, ano na, hindi na ako pwede mag-back out. So, it's either the Deluxe or Velux. But for now, sa tingin ko, ipopost ko na rin tong G7X kung magkano ko siya isi-sell. Sobrang swerte na makakakuha nito dahil sobrang mahal na mahal ko to.
In-endorse pa.
In-endorse. So, sobrang mahal na mahal ko talaga tong camera na to kasi ang dali niyang gamitin. Like ako, hindi naman ako techie. And yung inclusions niya, diba?
Hindi ko sabihin na magbibili din.
Hindi pa nga sure eh, kung kaya niya yung price. Kapatid ko yun si Macy, sabi niya. I am already home kanina pa guys and inaayos ko yung camera because tomorrow may titingin ng Canon 760D. As you may know, binibenta ko yung dala ko sa aking Canon cameras. I currently have like 3 Canon cameras o 4 pala kasi may niregalo sa akin si Jeloy dati na Canon camera na point and shoot that I keep sa isa sa mga drawers ko. Checking yung mga cameras, yung kanilang boxes. So this is what I use. So mga nagtatanong, this is what I use to film my beauty videos. This is like one of the best cameras of Canon. Really nice. And then, yung una kong ginamit for my YouTube channel, I purchased a brand new EOS 760D or this is also like the Canon Rebel T6S abroad. Okay, so sa Asia lang siya tinatawag na 760D. Oops, sorry. And then, yung for vlogging naman, I use these Canon G7X. There's already like PowerShot G7X Mark II, but I don't know kasi parang hindi ganun ka-okay yung ano niya, yung... Good morning! Hindi ko natapos yung vlog kahapon. Dahil, hindi ko alam, sumakit yung tiyan ko. Tapos yun yung talaga yung pinakamalala na sobrang traffic, tapos sobrang ano ka na, ano mo na. Hindi ko tuloy natapos. Tapos tinatawanan ako ng kapatid ko saka ni Jeloy pagbaba ko ng kotse. Hinatid ako ni Jeloy. Kakatawa. Tapos ngayon, I'm out kasi imimit ko yung bibili nung DSLR. So, hindi ko ina-expect. Mabibili na rin ata tong G7X ngayon kasi makikipag-meet sa akin later. Ayoko pala isipin na mabibili na, pero yun. Nagba-vlog pa man din ako ngayon. So, yung memory card nito, tatanggalin ko na lang. Tapos, papalitan ko ng memory card na sa bahay.